your mouthpiece cap protects your reed, so you want to leave it on whenever you're not playing, and then just leave it nearby you. Let's talk about a great saxophone embouchure. The first thing is that your bottom lip is going to be flat and smooth, and it will cover your bottom teeth, kind of like you're putting on chapstick, like that. So it's covering my teeth, but it's not mushy. Mushy bottom lip, no good. Now, once you have that flat, smooth bottom lip, you need to know where to put it. So I'm going to show you with a piece of paper here. If I carefully slide the piece of paper between the mouthpiece and the reed, and you can try this on your own carefully, just don't slice your reed in half. You can see it stops. I'm not shoving it. I'm just letting it stop where it stops. And that is the place where your bottom lip should go, is right here. You can see it from the side also, where the reed comes away from the mouthpiece. A little easier to see in person maybe. So any reed that's not touching the mouthpiece, you want to be able to vibrate in your mouth. So make sure that you have enough reed in your mouth. So your bottom lip is going to go right here. So find your spot on your reed. Your top teeth will go on the top of the mouthpiece. And once you set your bottom lip, I want you to press up on your top teeth so that your reed can vibrate to its full potential. Then your corners and the rest of your lips should form a rubber band-like seal around the whole mouthpiece and reed. Okay? So let's try it. Flat, smooth bottom lip. Put it in your mouth and press up on those top teeth. And when I take my breath after I've set my embouchure, I'm breathing through my corners of my mouth. So watch again and check your spot. Make sure you have enough reed in your mouth. There's my spot. And we want a smooth, clear sound like that. Okay? So let's review one more time. Flat, smooth bottom lip. Press up on those top teeth. The rest of your lips just wrap around and seal around like a rubber band.